For every 10 men, only 6 will make New Year resolutions. Out of those 6, 1 is gonna quit at the end of the first week and 2 are going to be quit at the end of January. And throughout the year, 2 more are gonna drop out. So out of 10 men, 1 person is going to be stick at his New Year resolutions. And you can be that 1 man by simply following my steps.
So I am giving you simple points about how you can make 2025 the best year of your life. So let's start with the first point. You have to make a morning routine. Please listen to me carefully. You have to make a morning routine, because if you don't wake early in the morning, you can't do anything. You can't do anything in your diet. You can't be successful. You have to make a fresh start. Second, get started this year. A study shows that about 95% of New Year resolutions are fitness related, and about 42% people make resolution of fat loss. And I am gonna help you with that. At first, don't commit to work out 6 days a week. Start with 1 day a week in first month, in second month 2 days a week, in third month 3 days a week, in fourth 4 days a week, in fifth 5 days a week, in sixth 6 days a week. That's how you can start from 1 day a week to 6 days a week in only 6 months, and it will take you to make a perfect shredded body. And if you are already liking this video, please hit that subscribe button. Socialize with people. Please socialize with people, because you have to learn to talk to the people around you, and only be in the environment that give you positive vibes. Do not be with the people that give you negative vibe. They will demotivate you, or you don't feel comfortable around them. Be with people that give you positive vibes, who encourage you. Step number 4. Overcome all your addictions. And no, I won't tell you to remove all of those things, whether it is a soft drink, alcohol, smoking, watching porn, scrolling through Instagram or Facebook. Because at the start of the day, you doesn't feel anything. But as the time goes up, that craving, that temptation of doing that thing will come to your mind. So what I want you to do is that you will replace that thing with, let's say, healthier version, like alcohol with 0% alcohol, smoking with Zyn or edible cigarettes, fapping every day by fapping once a month or a week. But most people think that their willpower is weak, but it's not. So as you. Step 5. Make money. The biggest problem for most of the people is that firstly, you think or you make idea about what you're gonna do, which we call ideation phase, in which you feel motivated, which push you to the preparation phase. But as you enter preparation phase, which is the boring part, which is working long for hours without seeing any immediate result, which lacks stimulation, and most of the people in this phase, they start looking after new things to get that stimulation again. In result, they fall for what's more attractive, like drop shipping or e-commerce. But then they come to that preparation phase again, and eventually switching to something else. And I want you to do not fall in this trap by the method which I call EPP method. What I want you to do is to grab a pen and notebook. Make a column named enthusiasm. In this, you write all the things which you are passionate about. In second column, named product. In this, you'll write how you can turn your passion into product. In third column, named places where you can sell your product. Like if you are gym free, you can be a personal trainer. If you like cooking, you can create content on YouTube. But I want you to stick to that one thing for at least 6 months with giving your 100%. And I guarantee if you do all these methods, you'll be successful. And if you do not, then you are doing something wrong.